Want to remove Mega from your computer? Before you uninstall it, there's one important thing to check: your files. If Mega is syncing folders, removing the app without checking your sync status can cause confusion later. In this guide, I'll show you how to safely uninstall Mega from your computer. First, open Mega and check whether your files have finished syncing. Look for any pending uploads, downloads, or sync activity. If important files are still being transferred, let the process finish first. Yeah, this is the most important step before removing the app. Next, decide which local files you want to keep on your computer. If a folder is synced with Mega, don't assume that uninstalling the application automatically deletes or preserves everything exactly as you expect. Make a separate copy of anything important before continuing, so a quick backup can prevent an unpleasant surprise. Now close Mega completely. If the app provides a sign-out option, you can sign out before removing it. Then exit the application so it isn't running in the background. On Windows, you can check the system tray and quit Mega from its menu. On Windows, open Settings and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Mega in the application list and select the Uninstall option. Follow the prompts until the removal is complete. The exact menu wording can vary slightly depending on your Windows version. On Mac, open Finder and select Applications. Locate the Mega application and move it to the trash. Depending on the version, Mega may include additional components or settings, so check its official documentation if you want to remove leftover files as well. After uninstalling, restart your computer and check that Mega is no longer running. Then verify that your important local files are still where you expect them to be. This quick check confirms the removal went smoothly, and that's how to safely uninstall Mega. Check your sync status, protect important local files, close the app, remove it through your operating system, and verify everything afterward. If you plan to reinstall Mega later, keeping your important files backed up first is always a good idea.